Gabi ng Misteryo.
Di ba may mga meanings yung mga inuulit ng mga numbers, triple numbers, double numbers, pero mostly mga may angelic meaning. So tulad tong 333, kunin natin to. So kung isa-search natin sa internet, ano meaning ng angelic meaning ng 333, ito yung search natin. Okay, so pasok tayo sa Google. Ayan, mandali na ma-access ngayon ng ganyang mga meaning. Kung hindi ninyo, wala kayong hindi tawag dito, hindi kayo makapag-focus, hindi kayo makapag-tune in kung ano meaning, di ba? So 333 angel number, so they call it angel number. So unahin na lang natin ang 333 angel number. Ito raw ay a powerful message of creativity, growth, balance, and support from spiritual guides, especially mga angelic beings, mga angel. So they urge you to trust your path. Pagkatiwala natin ating dinaraanan sa buhay, express yourself, ilabas mo, sabihin mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, and align your thoughts. Ilinya natin ang ating kaisipan and positive action for success in love, career, and personal development. Ayun. Especially when facing choices. Ano mga choices natin sa buhay. So it also means itong 333 angel number, it's a green light to embrace your unique talents. So ano mga talents natin? Solve problems with charm and communication, and move forward with confidence. Ayan po yung mga, actually basically yun yung meaning ng 333 angel na yan sa ating pag-uusapan tonight sa Gabi ng Misteryo. And also some ancient symbols and signs. Very popular ang symbols ng mga ancient civilizations like Egypt, di ba? Egyptian symbols. Ito, pakita ko sa Egyptian symbols. Marami rin yan, and there are also meanings, mga Egyptian symbols yan, mga tinatawag na hieroglyphs. Pag-usapan natin ano yung power behind ancient symbols like Egypt. Pero may mga powerful symbols like Ankh symbol. This one is an Ankh symbol. This one, ito yung Ankh cross, dire-diretso yun. Ngayon, itong sumunod ay Eye of Horus. Ito ang Eye of Horus. So if we search anong meaning ng Ankh symbol, it represents life and immortality based sa ancient Egypt belief, Yung Eye of Horus naman is an Egyptian symbol of protection and health. Meron pa yung tinatawag na, sandali, yung Eye of Ra. I think this one is Eye of Ra, no? Sandali, yung bang, kasi kaliwat kanan yan baka mapagpalit natin. Ang Eye of Horus, alright, tingnan natin. Dali lang. Ayan, dito tayo sa top 30. So alright, so ang Eye of Horus, meron pang Eye of Ra, no? Wow. No, Eye of Ra. That's the Eye of Ra. The Eye of Ra is the left side, and Eye of Horus is the right side. So this is the Eye of Horus. The right eye is the Eye of Horus, and the left eye, pag ganon, is the Eye of Ra. Ngayon, if we search ano meaning ng Eye of Horus, it's a protection symbol. Protection and health, o di ba? Mayroon din pong mga iba pang mga ancient signs and symbols na hanggang sa ngayon na ginagamit, no? Sa ano naman tayo, dumakot tayo sa ancient Israel symbols. Actually, I think ito yung ginagamit sa Kabbalah, no? Ancient Israel symbols. Ayan. Marami din pala, no? Hindi pinapakita ko sa inyo to. Mayroong tinatawag na Menorah Temple, Candelabra. Meron yung shofar, ram's horn. May 4 species. Tawag nila ay 4 Sukkot. The tablets of stones, the Lion of Judah, Shin letter, representing divine presence. Meron yung very famous tong Star of David. It's now adopted as universal Jewish symbol. Ito yung King David shield, no? Now, menorah is the 7-branch candelabrum from the tabernacle and temple. Okay, ito yan. Ito nga, di ba? Ito nga yun, yung 7-branch candelabra. Yung pataas. Di ba? Ito. Yan. It's menorah. Mga symbols sa popular sa Jewish tradition or ancient Jewish Star of David. They call it Magen David, a 6-pointed star known as Magen David. Shield of David, ang meaning. Linked to King David's shield. Alam niyo naman yun, no? Yung inverted na triangle, magiging star. Another one, sige, ipakita ko rin sa inyo yung Star of David. Star of David. Yan, diba? Ganon. Then, the other one. Okay. Yung isa naman ay Hamsha yung isa, Hamsha. Ang Hamsha ay, siya, no? Para siyang hand. It's, the meaning is hand of God. For protection then, is a protective charm against evil eye, used across cultures and also by lalo na mga Jews. Hamsa, they call it Hamsa symbol, hand of Fatima. It is a symbolic hand which represents protection, both Jewish and Islamic cultures, pati rin pala sa mga Islam, sa mga kapatid natin sa nagpa-practice ng Islam, relating to Fatima, the daughter of the Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam, and Miriam, the sister of Moses. This symbol directly correlates back to various religions and cultures. So, ilan lang po yan sa ating pag-usapan tonight sa Gabi ng Misteryo, and we will have guests tonight to share their knowledge, to share their practice of these ancient divine symbols and angelic signs and symbols. Alright? See you!
Hi guys, this is Teos Abbas. Invite ko kayo mamaya sa DCRH alas 10 ng gabi, hosted by Ray T. Sibayan. Ang topic natin ay the power of divine, ancient, and angelic signs. See you there!
encounters, mga sightings ito. Ito ba'y palatandaan na talagang malapit na mga experience o meron kayong sightings ng mga UFO?
Higher beings, especially to the universe you call God.
Innumerable company of angels
beyond human comprehension.